All right, outdoorsmen, wanted to share with you the unboxing of my new Weatherby Element. I've heard lots of good things about it on a variety of podcasts and YouTube channels, and I wanted to get one for myself, and I had the option to choose one of the 3 guns from the Frederick County Ducks Unlimited spring dinner that was recently held, and I sponsored a table through my land management company, Trinity Habitat Consultants here in Maryland, and I went ahead and chose the Weatherby Element 20 gauge, and I want to unbox it and share my initial perspectives of the gun. So here we go. Box is pretty easy to open, and when you open it up, it comes with the owner's manual, which I certainly will read before I go ahead and ever put any ammunition into this gun. Not sure what this is. Oh, excellent. It comes with a magazine safety protector that you can just put into the magazine. That way this gun can never be fired. We'll probably use this as I travel to different locations, but I have a gun safe, so I won't need it at that point. Also has, I imagine this is my choke tubes. It is. Comes with a variety of choke tubes. Also looks like it has a variety of I imagine these are probably shims to help get the gun to fit me as best as possible. So let's go ahead and get this gun put together. So well, that's interesting. It has a piece of foam here. We'll actually press the action lock, and that's just to keep the action from, I guess, rubbing or potentially scarring the magazine itself. I need to go ahead and take this. Oh, this is interesting too. Whoops. Take the magazine cap off, and there's a little spacer that they use that I guess essentially shows you where the barrel will need to go. So, you have to open the entire box base up to get to the barrel. And it comes with I don't know if you can see it, it comes with a green sight dot on the front end, so that's kind of nice. I'm not exactly sure how this goes. I imagine I need to, based on the spacer, set that in. And can't really see what I'm doing here. There we go. Slide that down in. You can put the magazine cap back on. And you could actually, you know what, I'll even show you that. You can see the plug or magazine capacity limiter fits right in the end, which would make it super easy to remove if you're potentially going to shoot slugs through this, which I won't be doing. But if we were to be hunting snow geese or something like that, then certainly you could go ahead and remove the magazine. Or here in Maryland, in the early season, you can remove the magazine and carry more shells in an effort to maximize your harvest and reducing the resident population. So, okay, the magazine is on tight. Oh, and it even comes with a little magazine bolt handle protector, so that's kind of cool too. And at this point, we'd be ready to close the action. And it has a, I don't know if you can really see it with it all being black, but it has a nice large magazine closure that when you press it, gun goes closed and you're ready to go. So I am excited to get this out, maybe shoot a few rounds of trap or skeet with it. Also looking forward to getting this out and doing some, potentially doing some sporting clays. I know that my nephew is getting married in July, and I'm definitely taking this along and shooting at least one round with this. So hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my new Weatherby Element, and I'll be having videos coming up here before too long sharing the my initial impressions with firing the gun and my impressions of how it does moving forward into maybe I'll even take it for turkey here in the spring. So as always, if you enjoy what we're doing, please give us a like. If you're not subscribed, please do that and share with your friends, because I'm certainly looking to grow this channel and want to share cool outdoor adventures, certainly hunting, paddling, hiking, and other ways of getting out and enjoying history and creation that God has shared with us. So until next time, get outdoors.